Imagine fresh air in the morning. Imagine a green environment around us. Imagine environmentally conscious living. There's a manufacturer that always cares about our future. Cares for our people, to make sure those behind the machines are smiling and healthy. Cares for our industry, to use the latest technology to reduce environmental impact. Cares for our planet, to give every drop of water back to Mother Earth. Welcome to THUAN PHUONG GROUp. THUAN PHUONG Group has successfully established a garment, embroidery, printing, and laundry factory complex on a 74-acre or 30-hectare development in the Long An province of Vietnam. With the advantage of being a riverside operation, TP has established a 4 million gallon water reservoir for regular production and day-to-day function with a cutting RO purification system. How are we green? TP utilizes modern technology to ensure water, fuel, and electricity are efficiently used in production as follows. Solar power is applied for all of our factories in Long An. Industrial skylighting system. Solar powered lighting. Recycled water. Zero discharge of hazardous chemicals. Rainwater harvesting. Water consumption with 1.5 gallons or 6 liters per garment. Save up to more than 50% energy and 4 million kilowatts per year. Moreover, we reduce, recycle, and reuse in every step of production. We are building an organic farm with 90% less water, 80% more efficiency, no genetically modified organisms, a reduced carbon footprint, and absolutely zero pesticides to offer thousands of free and organic meals in TP Group. In addition to automated machinery and various software such as G-Pro system, SMV calculation software, QCM system, along with cost saving, quality and quantity improvement, our CI and IE teams ensure TP is using optimal methods to increase productivity, efficiency, and quality. Our professional R&D team consists of local and international specialists with years of experience in the garment fashion industry. We create a rich variety of fashionable wash collections for our customers, both domestic and international. Italian-made Tonello washing machines with the UP system are programmable and help save up to 90% water, 80% chemicals, 60% steam, and increase washing capacity. With these results, TP can use as little as 1.5 gallons of water per garment. Laser machines will bring TP the most advanced eco-technologies for garment finishing. Sustainable and efficient technologies that guarantee large amounts of water, energy, and chemical savings. Pollution-free and disruptive technologies that eliminate manual and harmful processes for the worker's health. By using biomass, which will provide all remaining energy needs for heating, TP has chosen to invest in advanced eco-friendly steam technology to ensure quicker steam production at lower fuel consumption rates. TP prides itself on having the most advanced wastewater treatment system in Vietnam. River water, through reverse osmosis, is converted to clear water for production and daily function. 70% of post-production water is recycled, while the remaining 30% is reprocessed and discharged per Column A, Standard 13 of Vietnamese government regulation. The recycling process reduces TP's water intake and contributes to the protection of the local environment. In the near future, it is TP's goal to use 98% recycled water and a zero discharge evaporation system. For a green environment in future, TP creates a clean and sustainable environment for employees by investing in vegetation to provide natural shade and means to connect with the earth. Our efforts at TP Group will leave our world a better place for generations to come. THUAN PHUONG Group, we care for your life.